Hello everyone. My name is C. Dinesh Kothari, a practicing chartered accountant from Surat. So, why this workflow? What happens with most of the practicing chartered accountant or professionals like us is that the client always gives a call. I need ITR competition. I need GSC ID password. I need to pay my income tax challan. I need to pay my GST challan. I want to check what is the credit ledger balance available with me. So they gives a redundant calls which are useless, and they might give at any time, might be at night 9 p.m. So you are not available with all the details in your office or with you handy. So what you do, you hire an assistant. But the assistant comes from 11 to 8. He is also helpless to provide services to the clients at the night. So why can't we create an assistant or a tool which can give the client all the required documents at a ease, at a convenience, whenever they need? So the second thing is most of the client, just because we provide free consultations, most of the client gives us a free calls like what is the rate of TDS on brokerage, what is the rate, what is the income tax due date, this and that. So can it be made in such a way that he asks a model or a bot and the bot answers what is required? If there is specific query, then only it is circulated to you. So for that, we have created an annotate workflow. So this is our annotate workflow. I will show how it is works. So we have used Telegram over here. Why Telegram? Telegram is providing free bot services. WhatsApp, we need Meta. So we have used Telegram. As of input, we have taken only text as an input. We can take voice also. On message, it will trigger. What happens? The message goes to my AI agent. So AI agent has three roles over here. So the first role is chat model. So we have taken Gemini 2.5 flash, which is very best for bot handling. That will take the request from the client and see what has to be done. So second thing is the memory with us. So what memory does? For example, if a client is having 10 questions, so after giving certain answers, he forgets that who is asking whom, which question has been asked by whom. So it will keep that chat ID in memory and will reply to that chat ID on the specific questions being asked, keeping in mind the memory which has been stored in it. So it's a simple memory with a context window of 10. Then we will look what are the tools. What tools are? Tools are actually the hands which are performing the task. So we have three tools over here. The first tool is search pen folder. What happens when a client message me? So there is a PAN card which has been folder. There is a folder in my Google Drive. I will show the folder. So this is my Google Drive where CADSK clients is there. In that, all the clients are having a unique PAN card. So folders are arranged in the name of the PAN card only. In that PAN card, we have subfolders which has different things. So in 2023-24, we have ITR and competition. So what this will do, this will go and search in my Google Drive that whether this PAN card exists or not. If that PAN card doesn't exist, it will return a null value. So we will look at the second tool. The second tool is Google Sheets. What Google Sheets will do, it's a lookup client details. In that sheet, there is a PAN card, name of the client, the passkey. I will explain that why passkey is required, user ID and password, and the outstanding amount. What is the outstanding amount of that client to be paid to us? So what this passkey is doing, when you enter a PAN card number, it will go and search whether that client exists or not. If doesn't exist, it will return the value. But if it exists, it will ask for a passkey which is with me stored over here, and it is with the client. Client is having a unique passkey or a password, whatever. So it's a two-factor authentication where no one having a PAN number can directly access the documents required or the income tax ID and password because it is highly confidential in nature. So what this passkey is doing, this passkey will be taken from the client, will be matched with the Google Sheet, and from Google Sheet, if the passkey is matching, then it will directly give to the way to the second or third tool. The third tool which will execute the workflow, like giving the PDF. So the third tool is search here PDF. So we have seen that it will go and search inside the folder of client PAN card. There are different folders. It will search the PDF in that folder. If the PDF is not there, it will say, sorry sir, the PDF is not available. Kindly contact our office. If it is there, it will go in the folder info, because every folder has a different path. Every subfolder has a different path. Every file has a different path. So each and everything is attached with the JSON. It will get the subfolder. It will search the drives and will download the required documents as demanded by the client. So it is doing an advanced search. In that advanced search, what it will do? It will search the folders. Once it is searched, it will batch process it, because what happens if there are 10 PDFs? So if the bot is trying to send all the 10 PDFs, then it is creating an error with the JSON. So in order to remove that, we can have a batch by batch processing. First PDF will be sent, then second, then third, then fourth. At last, we can see if last is done, then the node is not connected to anything. So after done, it will stop. It will end after the last PDF. So this is the complete entire workflow. We will see a practical example of how it works. We will go to the Telegram first. I will type a message hi to the bot. This is a CA Dinesh Kothari office bot. It will ask, good night Dinesh, welcome to CA Dinesh Kothari office. So I will ask for the download ITR, PAN number ABCDE1234F. Because this is the same stored in the database. It will ask for the passkey. It is not directly giving me the ITR computation, because it knows that these are sensitive documents. So it will ask for the passkey. I will enter 123. It will go and search with the Google Sheets. If it is matching, then it is asking for which year you want to download. I will ask 2023-24. Let's see what happens. So it has provided me the first. I will check whether it is correct or not. Yes, I have got the right PDF. It's a test document due to confidentiality. We have not mentioned anything over here. But we got the basic understanding and outflow that how it is working, how it will work. So we have got how a Anatan workflow can automate my offices, can lead to decrease in the redundancy of the efforts. I will again ask hi. We need to explore more things. I want income tax user ID and password. Again, we will see how it is handling the error by A, B, C, D, E, 1, 2, 3, 4, F. Passkey 123. Let it be 123. Yeah, it is 123. So he has shared the income tax ID and password. If I will change in my Google Sheets, then it will change automatically. Again, I will ask some basic questions which client always asks us. I want income tax and GST questions. What is the rate of TDS for supply of manpower services? So for supply of manpower service, TDS is calculated at a rate of 1%. So it is giving answers which client usually calls us. So this has reduced the calls at our offices. How we can integrate it more? We can integrate booking the appointments, taking the invoices, outstanding balances. There are many options which we have. So it is very cheap and easy to use, because I have used N10 workflow, which is a 14-day trial pack, and post that we can buy it also. And all the tools used over here, like the Google Drive, Google Sheets, are free of cost. Telegram bot is also free of cost. It is not charging anything. Thank you so much. I hope I have solved all your queries. Thank you so much.